What's up guys, and yes, Xiaomi has taken the Ultra name too seriously. When Samsung announced their Galaxy S20 Ultra, surely it was Ultra, but not what we were expected. And this is where Xiaomi has seen a major space to win. This is Xiaomi's 10th anniversary and Xiaomi has announced a Mi 10 Ultra, a phone that should be called Ultra when looking at it. On the front we have a punch-hole OLED display. We first heard it could have under-screen camera, but that is still not possible at the moment, so punch-hole setup with 120Hz refresh rate and a fairly bright display panel. But the crazy thing is on the back. We've got a crazy big camera setup that currently has broken the records. Yes, Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra is on the top spot in DxO mark. It's rocking a 48 megapixel custom sensor that Xiaomi has manufactured along with 8P lens as well as dual native ISO technology. This is probably the biggest sensor we have currently in smartphone right now, and it can also shoot 100 megapixel shots thanks to super resolution algorithm. But natively you'll be able to take 48 megapixel shots and 12 megapixel default setting shot thanks to 4:1 pixel binning technology. There is also a 12 megapixel portrait lens with 2x optical zoom, meaning you can take portrait shots at 2x zoom level. And then there is a special periscope zoom camera with fairly large size, and it is responsible for 120x ultra zoom. According to Xiaomi, it can produce fairly detailed results at 120x zoom, actually far better than 100x zoom level on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Again, real world tests will show the truth behind this 120x marketing, like how real world tests of Galaxy S20 Ultra showed off 100x zoom level shots. And there's also an ultra wide angle lens coming at 20 megapixel. It can also be used for macro shots. There is also a laser autofocus system, LED flash and flicker sensor. All in all, the camera is massive and it also feels really promising. But other than the 120x zoom, there is also a 120 watt of fast charging. That is insane. I mean, remember what I said, Xiaomi has taken the Ultra name way too seriously. And you know what more crazy is that this 120 watt fast charger will come out of the box. Yes, you don't need to spend further money, it will come straight out of the box. This phone can charge from 0 to 100 in just 23 minutes, and in 5 minutes you can charge this fairly large 4500 mAh battery up to 41%. That's almost half a battery capacity. And not only that, it also supports 50 watts of wireless charging, breaking the records of Huawei. This phone can charge at a crazy high speeds at both wired and wireless charging, and there's also a 10 watts of reverse wireless charging. It's rocking a Snapdragon 865 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, LPDDR5, top of the line, UFS 3.1 storage, like insane top of the line specs are here. And looking at these specs, it's not looking like a phone that everyone can buy. Like top of the line specs, you may be thinking it might be cost $1,200 or $1,400, but no. According to Eisner's, this phone is costing $760 in China. Like, this is seriously mind-blowing. Of course, in China, phones price is lower than international markets, but it's $760. What you can expect to other markets like $800 or $850 or last $900. Still, this is a B smartphone in this price range, considering it's packing like 120 watt charger out of the box, 48 megapixel massive camera sensor, 120Hz display, 120x ultra zoom. This is super crazy. And glad that Xiaomi has pulled this phone off in these confusing times when Samsung announcing their $1,000 phone with a plastic back. This is absolutely insane. Let me know what you think of it. And Xiaomi has also announced a world's first smart TV with transparent OLED display. It also have a 120Hz refresh rate and costing a whopping $7,000 price. But again, it is one of a kind product. It should have been priced like this. But again, insane thing is here, the Ultra Beast Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra. Let me know what you think of this device. Are you looking forward to this phone? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.